So our case number 6 is running fix with the one position circle and one position line at different times, of course. So what we will do, first we will draw the initial PL from the lighthouse 1 and position circle from the lighthouse 2. So lighthouse 1 we have initial PL, say 170 at 0800, and at 0900 we have been given a position circle from lighthouse 2, maybe around 10 miles example. Now we again same thing, we assume any point A at lighthouse at initial PL 0800 PL, and we draw the course to steer. Now if we are given set and drift, we apply the set and drift at point B and we reach the estimated position C, and from estimated position C we transfer the initial 0800 PL, and wherever it cuts the position circle, that is our fix at 0900, and from 0900 if we transfer the course made good, we will get backwards, we will get the 0800 PL. So this is our running fix with one position circle and one position line. Same similar concept, nothing different. So we go to our case number 7 where we have two position circles. So we have position circle 1 from lighthouse 1, we draw that, and we have position circle 2 from lighthouse 2, we draw that. Now we cannot assume any point on this position circle 1, because it will be a little difficult. So what we do, we take the lighthouse only, because the PL is from the lighthouse to any point. So even your lighthouse can be one position. So whenever you are given two position circles, we assume the lighthouse and we draw the course to steer from the lighthouse. And after that, everything is same. We draw the course to steer and engine speed from the lighthouse, and then we put the set and drift. We get the estimated position. From this estimated position, we transfer the initial position circle. So this is the initial position circle. We take this as center and mark the same distance circle, and wherever it cuts the second PL, that will be our fix at 0900, and make sure you are transferring the course made good, not the course to steer. So from here we transfers the course made good from here, and we will get, when it touches the initial circle, that will be our position at 0800. So this is case 7 of where you have two position circles for a running fix at different times. Now we go to case 8 where we have one position circle and one position line, and we are given current also. So initially we have the first position circle and we have the second position line, and we have the course to steer and current. So even when you have one position circle, one position line, but the initial, because always you have to transfer the initial circle. So if you initial, you have position circle from the first lighthouse, or first you have the position circle, then always we take the lighthouse as the assumed point and we draw the course to steer from the lighthouse. So we draw the position circle from the lighthouse 1 and we draw the PL from lighthouse 2. Then from the center of the uh, lighthouse, we draw the course to steer and cut the engine speed. We reach at B, and from B we draw the set and drift, same like that we get the EP. Now from point C again, we take the distance of the initial lighthouse and we transfer the initial position circle. When we transfer the initial position circle, wherever it cuts, that is our fix at 0900. Now if you want 0800 position, you take this course made good and transfer from 0900, wherever it cuts the initial position circle, that will be your fix at 0800. So make sure you are transferring course made good and the distance of initial circle is transferred and the course to steer is drawn on the lighthouse. These are the main points to consider.